This video will continue doing algebra from geometry. As you can see here, we've got angles, and for the first time, we will have a quadratic. Now remember, just because there's a quadratic, that doesn't mean it's a ton harder. It's a little harder, but it's not terrible. And as always, the algebra comes from the geometry of the problem. So we can see here, given the figure at right, angle BAD is x squared. So angle BAD. Now the two small angles BAC and CAD have these measures. So we will make our equation from the geometry. X squared equals 4x minus 8 plus 4x plus 1. From there, x squared equals 8x minus 7. Now we'll make a quadratic with 0 on one side. X squared minus 8x plus 7 equals 0. From there we factor, and we get x minus 7 and x minus 1. So x equals 1 or x equals 7. Now in geometry, each time you're going to need to take your answers and plug them back in to see if we have extraneous solutions. These angle measures cannot be 0 or negative. So if we plug in 1 here, 4x minus 8, well, 4 times 1 minus 8 equals negative 4. That cannot happen. Therefore, that is an extraneous solution. Now let's plug in 7. 4x minus 8, plug in 7. 7 times 4 is 28, minus 8 equals 20. And then the other, 4x plus 1. 7 times 4 is again 28, plus 1 equals 29. 20 plus 29 is 49 degrees. Now, if x is 7, x squared is 49, and we have our check. So again, the algebra comes from the geometry of the problem. That's the first thing. Number 2, you just solve a quadratic just like you've always solved it in algebra. Number 3, plug in your answers. Find if you have extraneous solutions and non-extraneous solutions. Check the numbers, and you're done.